we mwega. Ndakena niwe gukorwo haha ngwihoka we mwega. Welcome to Kikuyu Lessons with Wanjiro. I am your teacher, Mwarimu Wajiro. Today I have a very simple, very interesting lesson. It's about the activities we do in the house, how you would tell someone to do something, how to say wash the dishes, how to say make your bed. So they're just simple sentences that we do every day. I hope this lesson will help you in your everyday conversation or when you're practicing to speak this language. If you're new, I appreciate you, and subscribe to this channel. So without further ado, let's start our lesson. I'll start with what we do when we wake up. What do we do after we wake up? Make your bed. To make the bed is kwara orere. Kwara orere. Orere is bed. Kwara orere. So now if you want to tell someone make your bed, like Wanjiro, make your bed, you'll say Wajiro ara orere. Wajiro ara orere. Number 2 is to open the door. To open the door is kohigora murago. Kohigora murago. Kohigora murago. And if you want to tell someone open the door, you will say higora murago. Joki higora murago. Joki higora murago. To close the door is kohiga murago. Kohiga murago. Joki higa murago. Joki, close the door. Joki higa murago. Then there is also, with close and open, the window. We call a window dirisa. Dirisa. So to say close the window, higa dirisa. Higa dirisa. Open the window, higora dirisa. Higora dirisa. Stand up. To stand up is korogama. Korogama. If you want to tell your child or to tell anyone to stand up, you will tell them rogama. Wajiko rogama. Wajiko rogama. To sit down is goikara de. Goikara de. So if you want to tell someone Wanjiko sit down, you will say Wajiko ikara de. Wajiko ikara de. If you want to tell someone jump up, to jump up or to jump is koroga. Koroga. If you want to add the word up, we're going to say igoro. Koroga na igoro. Koroga na igoro. So if now you want to tell someone come out, jump or jump up, you'll say kamau roga. Kamau roga. Kamau roga na igoro. Another sentence is to wipe the table, and this can also be applied in wiping the windows, wiping the door. Table is meda. To wipe is kohura. So we're going to say kohura metha, to wipe the table. Kuhura metha. But now, if we wanted to say, Jerry, wipe the table. Jerry, hura metha. Jerry, hura metha. Jerry, hura metha. Next, we have to wash the dishes. To wash the dishes is guthabia indo. Guthabia indo. Indo means things, but you can always differentiate with where, things of where. Or for example, in this case you can say idosia riko. Idosia riko. So riko is kitchen. So saying you wash kitchen things. So we will say guthabia indo cia riko. Guthabia indo cia riko. If now you want to tell someone wash the dishes, you say Wagare thabia indo. Wagare thabia indo. Wagare thabia indo. The next one is to throw away the trash. To throw away is gote, gote, and trash we're going to call it dirt, which is yeko, yeko. So to throw away the trash is gote, yeko, gote, yeko. And some people call the trash takataka, from Swahili takataka, takataka. So you can say wote takataka. So if now you want to tell someone jogu, throw away the trash, you'll say jogu te yeko. Jogu te yeko, or jogu te takataka. Jogu te takataka. To say come here, to come is goka, goka. So go plus oka. Now if you want to tell someone come here, you'll say waboi oka haha. Waboi oka haha. Waboi oka haha. That reminds me of when we were growing up. If your parents said oka haha, if they tell you to come twice, they are going to say diga kwererege, diga kwererege na diga kwererege. Let me not tell you again to come here. Next is to go to the shop. To go to the shop is godie duka, godie duka. So if you want to tell someone go to the shop, you tell them waboi die duka. Waboi die duka. If it's to the market we say doko. So you can tell them waboi die doko. Waboi die doko. And on that note, we can look at let's go. You'll say neto die, neto die, neto die. Let's go. Next is to comb your hair. To comb your hair is gusanura juere. Gusanura juere. Now to tell someone comb your hair, you say modami sanura juere yaku. Modami sanura juere yaku. To wash clothes or to do laundry, to wash clothes is kohora guo. Kohora guo. Kohora guo. if you wanted to tell Mudhoni to wash her clothes, we are going to say, Mudhoni, hora guo siaku. Mudhoni, hora guo siaku. Mudhoni, hora guo siaku. Na ndigakwire ringi. To sweep is kohata. Kohata. So if you want to tell someone to sweep, if you want to tell them to sweep the house, you will tell them hata nyoba. Hata nyoba. Hata nyoba. To sweep outside, hata ja. Hata ja. Hata ja. If you want to tell them to sweep the carpet, hata mogeka. Hata mogeka. Hata mogeka. If you want to tell someone, I am at home, because someone may ask, where are you? Where are you is weko. Weko. Wanjiro, weko. Wanjiro, where are you? And then I'll say, karaoke, de monsieur. Karaoke, de monsieur. Or, karaoke, nie de monsieur. Nie de monsieur. Or mommy, nie de monsieur. Mom, I'm at home. So to say I'm at home is de monsieur. Carry that bag. To carry a bag is gokua mohuko. Gokua mohuko. Gokua mohuko. If I want to say, my sister, carry that bag, I'll say, mware wa maitu, kuwa mohuko usio. Mware wa maitu, kuwa mohuko usio. Let's eat, or let us eat. Say, reke torie. Reke torie. Or netorie. 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 Let us eat. So I can say, my family, let us eat together. So I'll say, family yakwa, netorie hamwe. Netorie hamwe. Netorie hamwe. Or netoria nere. Netoria nere. Netoria nere. The last one is give me your contact, or give me your number. So to give is kohe, kohe, or koheana. But if you want to say give me, we'll always say he, he. So we say he naba yaku. He naba yaku. He naba yaku. Give me your number. And that is the end of this lesson. I hope you've learned a few sentences that you can use. I hope you will use them in the house. You can talk to your kids, or you can practice with anyone these sentences. Let me know if you have, or if you will, and I can't wait to see you in the next lesson. Tigowega, tonane.